The state of Kansas is rapidly running out of lawyers, especially in our rural counties.
Kansas leaders say that's a bad thing for your bank accounts and for your constitutional rights. KAKE's senior political reporter Pilar Pedraza is here now to break down why the state is looking at a solution for those legal deserts. It's new at 6.
Well, of course, the first thing we think of are the simple things: defense attorneys, divorce court, child custody cases. But state leaders say having lawyers in town also provides jobs for others and often investment in other businesses as well, all of which means a lack of lawyers is a problem.
Fewer people are interested in practicing the law.
Kansas Supreme Court Justice KJ Wall told state lawmakers Tuesday, not only do we have fewer attorneys in rural Kansas by a lot, we have fewer Kansans attending law school, a total that's been falling since the 80s.
Maybe that's because of the economics of law school, the cost of obtaining that degree, and concern about whether that will pay off over the long term.
And of those who do, about half leave the state after graduation. That means right now, Kansas has 47 counties that meet the professional definition of a legal desert. One lawyer for every 1,000 Kansans. 2 counties with no attorneys at all. That total gets even worse when you take out the attorneys who are working as judges.
We're approaching a point where we're going to struggle to fulfill our constitutional obligation.
Which is why the Rural Justice Initiative has several suggestions for solving the problem, such as funding paid rural internships for law students, setting up a rural attorney training program to help prepare students for the specialized skills they'll need, and providing a tuition incentive, even loan forgiveness for Kansans who commit to practicing law in rural counties.
Rural attorneys are important to the economic viability of the community.
Now, Justice KJ Wall told the Senate Judiciary Committee today, this is an issue that's going to impact every county in our state as lawyers in the cities find themselves increasingly called on to cover the gaps left by those legal deserts. Pilar Pedraza, KAKE News, on your side.